Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison and I do Disney content, and I do all different kinds of Disney content, and I'm starting to move into reviews. The last one I did was a stroller review on the Zoe stroller. If you haven't seen that yet, I will link it above. We also are a vlogging Disney family and we are going to Walt Disney World next week. We are super excited. I am taking a different vlogging approach. If you didn't see that video, I will be doing a lot of different kinds of reviews of restaurants, and we're staying at the Polynesian for the first time, so I'll be doing some room tours, and I'm so excited to share and bring that content to you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will consider subscribing, so go ahead and hit that little subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this kind of content, and I haven't ever told you this, and I've always put it in my description box down below, but we actually have a P.O. box. So if you want to send us just like a little card or a little note, we would love to hear from you guys. So today's video is actually a requested video, and someone asked me to do an updated what's in my parks bag. Now that's kind of tough for me because I actually go to the park differently every time. So sometimes I'm by myself, sometimes I'm with both my girls, sometimes I'm just with my 3-year-old, sometimes I'm with just my 1-year-old, and so the park bag looks different every time. So I'm planning to actually share a variety of what my parks bag looks like. So today I'm going to be sharing what I put in my park bag when I'm just by myself, and then I will also be filming a what's in my park bag when I have my 2 girls with me at Walt Disney World. So be on the lookout for that, but let's hop into what's in my park bag when it's just me. This is what my parks bag looks like, and I will actually be linking everything that I can down in the description box below, because I know you guys are like, wait, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? So anything I show you, if there is a link, I will share it with you. But this was actually from the Disney Pride collection this year, and I saw this bag and completely fell in love with it. I think it was $30, and I love it. So it's got this little rainbow Mickey on the front, and then if you look down in the corner right there, it's got this little like a pennant. It's not like a pin or anything, it's just like a little pennant, and I think it's so cute. Plus, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I love the Golden Girls, and it's got these like palm leaves all over, and so I'm like, I just love it. And it's the perfect size for me when I'm in the park by myself. So it's just like a little cute mini backpack, but it's perfect, really durable, really well made, and it's also got rose gold. And if you guys haven't been watching me for a while, you know that I love rose gold. It's my favorite. Of all the metals, it's my favorite. I'm not wearing my rose gold earrings today, but I usually have my Mickey rose gold. I have these are my new ones. I got those from Marshall's. And to go along with that, this matches perfectly. Now this is the little Minnie Mouse rose gold keychain. I found it, I don't know, a while ago, last year at some point. They may still sell it in the parks, I'm not sure, but I love to hook it on the side. And then also, I had a friend send me this. Solicious Boutique. I will link her stuff below, or her Instagram. But it's a little ear holder, and it's perfect, and it holds my ears, and these are Tangled in Ears Co. I will also link her. Like I said, I will link everybody, but I will tell you where everything is from. So this is Solicious Boutique, and then this is Tangled in Ears Co. And I love it. It's so great. So if I'm going on like a roller coaster or something, I just hook it on, and it fits perfectly around and holds my ears while I am riding a ride. So next, let's go into this front pocket, and I keep a pair of earbuds in here. I'm sure all of you do too, but in case I need to like talk or whatever, it can get loud in the parks, and so it's easier just to have the earbuds in. And then I also have my wallet, and this is Walt's money. This is Neverland Teas. I will link there. Obviously, I will link them below. But this is like my favorite. I've been using this for, I don't even know, over a year, and I love it. It carries like everything in it. It's got my annual pass and my DVC card, and it's got a bunch of stuff, and it's nice enough that it's big enough you can stick like a pen, or you can stick, you can stick a lot of stuff in there, and it fits perfectly in the front pocket of my mini backpack. And then obviously you guys know what this is. This is my portable charger. If you look on the top, so that's how you charge it. This is where you plug into your iPhone, and those 4 dots show you how many charges you actually have. So it will charge up to 4 times your, and I've actually had it do more, and it stays charged forever. This thing is the bomb. I love it. I love this. I love it. I couldn't recommend it enough. I've had it for, I think, 2 years now. I think I've had it for 2 years, so I love it. Now getting into this larger pocket, that's it. There's just this smaller pocket, larger pocket. I always keep my phone in here. So obviously I have my phone with me because who doesn't have their phone with them? So I can Instagram. I mean, if you aren't following me on Instagram, you should go follow me because okay, so the difference for me, for Walt Disney World, I do the YouTube videos, and for Disneyland, I actually do Instagram. So if you're wanting some Disneyland content, tips, tricks, any of that kind of stuff, it's all on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me over there, Allison Wdwgirl. Linked in my description box below. I don't know how many times can I say it's linked in my description box below, but I just feel this like need to remind you in case you've forgotten from the 2 seconds I just told you. And then I always keep like a long sleeve shirt. This is my current favorite, and it's the Disney Cruise Line one. I love it because it's actually a water shirt, but it's 50 SPF, and I have very fair skin if you can't tell. So I get burned really easily, and I will put it on if I'm feeling like too much sun has been hitting me. It says Disney Cruise Line on the back. It's got the little Disney Cruise on the like front. I love this shirt. And so I will always keep a long sleeve shirt, especially if it gets chilly. I live in Los Angeles. It gets chilly at night. It's not like Florida. It gets down into, after a hot day of like 90 degrees, it gets down to like 70, 65, and that can feel chilly, especially when it's dark and it's windy. Yeah, so I always keep just like a long sleeve shirt with me. Now next, obviously I'm shooting with my camera, but I do keep my camera in here. And when I'm going to Disneyland, I don't actually tend to bring my tripod. I usually will just film, like I usually go with intent, so I've got like just like one thing I want to film. I don't typically vlog, but if I'm vlogging, I will also have my tripod in here. I don't have it with me right now, but yeah, if I were to, I would have the tripod in too, but I don't usually vlog at Disneyland. But when I'm at Disney World, I definitely have my tripod. And then next, so I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and this has become my like extra things carrying case. So I've got like extra batteries for my camera, and then I've got, I have like extra SD cards for my camera, and then I'll also sometimes put cords in here. A lot of times I'll keep my extra charger. I was using my extra charger, so I just like threw it in, but I'll keep my extra charger, cords, earbuds, everything I can keep in this actual thing. So, but I love this. It's all my electronics essentially stay in this case. And then obviously it's sunny, so I have a pair of sunglasses. This is Velvet brand, I don't know. So these are really cute. These are new. You guys can see the reflection of yourselves in there. But yeah, I love these. They're pink and adorable and rose gold because, like I said, I love rose gold. Okay, and last is this little pouch. And because it's a bunch of little things, I like to keep it all in one pouch so I don't have to like search through stuff. I wear contacts. You guys have seen me in my glasses. I wear contacts. I actually sometimes have an extra pair of glasses I will bring to the parks or leave in my car, but I usually will also have an extra pair of glasses. But I keep contact solution. I wear dailies because my eyes, I have really dry eyes. It's actually why you guys never see me. It's why you guys mainly see me in my glasses. I only wear my contacts when I'm going to the parks or shooting a video. For the most part, you guys have seen me in glasses, obviously, but the glare gets really bad with, depending on the sunlight in the room. So many times I will wear contacts like right now, but I have really, really dry eyes. I don't wear contacts every day. In fact, I probably only wear them once a week and when I'm going to the parks. So I keep this solution with me because my eyes will get really dry. That was an incredibly long explanation for a very short answer. I did not need to go on for that long. I keep my business cards with me in this little Shinola wallet. These are my adorable business cards. And if you didn't know, I own my own travel agency, Adventures with Allison Wdwgirl. So if you were looking to plan your own Disney vacation, whether it be Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Aulani, Adventures by Disney, a Disney cruise, feel free to get a hold of me. Guess where all my information is? In the description box below. I also keep a little first aid kit just so I don't have to run to first aid to get anything I need, but it's also got some ibuprofen in it, which I keep with me, and then it's got little band-aids, and it also has just like a tiny little hand sanitizer. I will keep like an SPF lip balm. This is Sun Bum. So this particular brand is Sun Bum. It's 30 SPF. It's watermelon flavored. I love it. It's great. It protects my lips, and I keep it with me. I have a little hand cream that is a coconut and rose oil lotion. It's just from the Dollar Tree, but it smells really good. and so you can't smell it because it's actually closed, but it smells really good. I also keep pens, and I keep a Sharpie with me because you never know when you're gonna need it. I keep deodorant. I keep extra hair ties because I keep my hair in a bun. And someone once asked me like, hey, would you mind doing like a bun tutorial? You guys, all I do is use one hair tie. That's all I do. I mean, if you want a tutorial, I don't know, give this video a thumbs up and I will do a tutorial. I guess I could do like a makeup. I mean, like I only do my makeup one way. I'm very boring. I only do my makeup one way. I only do my hair one way. Kind of lame, but I mean, I guess if you want a tutorial, let me know and I can. And then I've got some lipsticks in here, which I don't really bring makeup with me to the parks. I don't really wear makeup. I wear makeup to the parks just because I like the way I look on camera better with makeup, but I really am not like an everyday makeup person. I can't, you guys, I can't. I don't know. I had kids and they were basically like, you know, suck the life out of me. So I just don't have the energy to do it. But so why would I don't reapply. I don't. I hate to say it, but I don't. And yeah, and this is just another little hand sanitizer too that I have. I like to have hand sanitizer, you know? I don't like getting sick. So that is it. Like I said, I will be sharing my toddler and infant diaper. It's essentially a diaper bag, but I guess we can call it a park bag. It will have obviously my stuff and then as well as the girls' stuff too. So keep a lookout for that video. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, we would love to have you come back. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and come on back and leave a comment below. Is there anything that you keep in your bag that I don't, that I should like, Allison, you need to have this in your bag. Please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. And like I said, we will be in Walt Disney World next week. So if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me over there so you can get some live time updates. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.